Goeiemôre Brakkies podcast. Ons is terug in 2026 and this is officially season 3 episode 1 and today we are just saying welcome back after a long school holiday. Welkom terug en sterkte vir 2026 en ons het die voorreg om vandag van meneer Leroux hierso te hê sodat hy net vir ons 'n paar woorde vir 2026 of 'n paar idees met ons kan deel vir 2026. Welkom meneer Leroux.
Baie dankie Angelique, welkom aan almal. Dit is wonderlik om weer terug te wees. Ek hoop regtig hierdie jaar is 'n geseënde jaar vir almal. I can't believe we're already busy with 2026. Time flies. So dit gaan so vinnig verby en 'n mens moet eintlik regtig was so dankbaar wees vir 'n klomp goed. So ek het die vakansie en vanoggend ook weer met mense gepraat daaroor dat 'n mens moet dankbaarheid betoon. Ek dink is 'n paar van die goed wat mens leer hoe om dinge met die regte gesindheid te sien en die regte attitude te hê teenoor goed. So vir my is 'n woord vir 2026 gratitude en uit gratitude uit kan 'n mens so ver kom om dankie te sê vir goed, dankie te sê vir mense, dankbaar te wees vir 'n wonderlike skool en 'n wonderlike gemeenskap, vir goeie personeel, to be thankful for parents, thankful for the governing body and all those other people helping and being friends of our school. Dit is so ongelooflik om te sien dat daar soveel mense is wat invested is, wat wil betrokke wees en wat wil deel word van die skool. So ons is regtig geseënd en ek is soos ek hier sit ongelooflik opgewonde oor 2026. Ek dink daar lê 'n klomp mooi goed vir hierdie skool en vir ons almal voor. Ek wil vir almal net baie seën toewens en veral dan ook die graad 8s, die nuwe groep wat by ons aansluit. Julle moet so gou as moontlik deel word en so gou as moontlik en soveel as moontlik deelneem. As jy mens deelneem, dan ervaar 'n mens alles wat die skool vir jou kan bied. Ek hoop jy het 'n wonderlike jaar en baie seënwense.
Ja, so ek dink ek stem saam met meneer Leroux, meneer Raman, dat dit belangrik is dat ons hierdie jaar wat 2026 is met 'n dankbare hart begin. Ek dink daar's soveel om voor dankbaar te kan wees hierdie jaar. Ek is dankbaar vir 'n suksesvolle 2025 where our pupils performed on very high levels in all spheres of the school, academic-wise, sport and in culture. And I think we can be proud of all the achievements of 2025. And when we reflect on 2025, it's there where we are thankful for our pupils that's willing to participate. Ek dink dit is die belangrikste ding soos wat meneer Leroux gesê het, raak betrokke, wees betrokke.
Yeah, absolutely. I think 2025 was an outstanding year.
Absolutely.
A lot of learning that we've done, a lot of curveballs that came our way, but those curveballs help us shape us for the future. And 2026 is a year like no other.
Ja, en ek dink dit is tyd dat ons dit noem. Ons is hierdie jaar 50 jaar oud, so dit ons bestaансjaar hierdie jaar, waar ons 50ste bestaансjaar vier. So it's a massive celebration of sorts. And within the celebration, there's so many activities taking place. Ek dink kom ons fokus op kwartaal 1 gou-gou. Wat gaan groot wees van kwartaal 1? Ek weet jy's baie betrokke by baie aktiwiteite wat in kwartaal 1 gebeur, maar wat is van die groot oomblikke van kwartaal 1 waarna ons moet uitsien?
So I think the very first thing that's super exciting is welcoming the new grade 8s.
Oh, I know they are so sinnebeagtig.
The
babbetjies.
The brand new Brakkies.
Oh, exciting times.
I think that's the first highlight we're going to have. And then obviously we've got Open Day coming up on the 7th of February.
Dis 'n massiewe geleentheid vir ons skool because that's already where we start preparing for 2027's intake. Mense kan nie dink dat alles nou al reeds daar is wat ons voorberei moet wees vir 2027.
Absolutely.
Dit is insane om daaraan te dink.
Yeah, no, it's insane. We've just started 2026 and now we're talking
Already
about 2027.
Starting preparing for 2027.
I think after Open Day we've got our top 5 athletics event that we're hosting.
Dis nou 'n naamverandering wat daar plaasvind. So let's quickly stop there. So backtrack. we're welcoming the grade 8s. Then we've got our interhouse, which is
Yes.
going to be an amazing day for everyone. As ek nou dink aan die 3 huise Brinksel hier in Walton, wat al 3 huise beplan vir die interhuis, that's going to be insane. I know what Brinkhuis costumes and music and everything looks like, maar ek weet all 3 houses are bringing their A game. And then we jump to top 5. Now there is a name change that's occurred.
Yeah.
Can you please explain that to the listeners?
So for the last 2 or 3 years, at least, we've been top 4: Brackenfell, Durbanville, Fairmont, and Settlers.
Yes.
This year, 2026, we're welcoming a 5th school, which is Curo Durbanville.
En hulle is ook 'n groot skool.
Yeah, so it's a big change. It's an additional 800 to 1,000 people, students at least. So it's a massive event, and we are hosting. So
That's going to be so not just hosting, we get an additional school and our live streaming. So let's pause quickly at live streaming. I know that's your baby and dit is jou hartse punt. Vertel vir ons bietjie van die live streaming wat nou veral, ek dink ons afskop vir live streaming en vir die podcast en alles is eintlik half ons top 5. En wat gaan alles daar gebeur waarvoor ons opgewonde kan wees?
I think live streaming has been such a great addition to Brackenfell.
And we're really amazing at it as well. Sorry, I have to say.
Yeah, we're doing super well with it. So much so that we are getting our own live streaming production studio that is sponsored to us. So it's phenomenal what's happening with live streaming. Top 5 in itself is going to be a cracker. We're going to have 8 cameras. We're going to have people on the field interviewing people.
Commentating.
We have commentating
as well.
It's going to be insane.
How many views did we have in 2025? That was the first year that we did that bigger live streaming. So dit was enorm geweest. Hoeveel kykers het ons, of how many streams and views did we get for last year?
I think let's put this in context. So Super Sports Schools unfortunately withdrew from the event at last minute, and we took over that live streaming opportunity 3 days before the event.
Ja, I remember hoe julle rondgehardloop. Ja, dit was massive. Ons was bietjie angstig geweest vir daai.
Yeah, it was very anxious. Planning and stuff takes quite a while. So I've been planning this since last year already, and so it takes quite a bit of planning, where cameras are going, logistics, equipment, all of that. So with 3 days planning, we did 14,000 viewers.
What amazing
for that day.
What amazing
which is really not bad for our very first big event for the year. And now obviously we've got a 5th school with Curo Durbanville jumping on board, and I think this year is going to be even bigger.
En mense weet nou al van ons live streaming, so ek dink mense is baie opgewonde. Die enigste ding waaroor ek bekommerd is die commentating.
Yeah, well, I think
the commentators need to be on top of it.
They need to be on top of it, but I think we need to bring our big man, Aldo Fritz.
He was such an amazing addition. If we can, that would be amazing. Want kom ons wees geëerlik, so lief soos wat ek is vir op die mic wees. I love speaking and I love athletics. Aldo doen dit net beter.
He does it so well. I mean, if any of our listeners had a listen last year, we had Aldo on Bok Radio, and
got so many compliments.
He was amazing.
En ek dink nogals dis iets wat hy moet oorweeg. He's got that personality and everything. So dit was amazing. So ons nou maar nog sien en kyk hoe die dinge uitwerk. Wat ek moet sê, ek's bietjie angstig om te commentate tussen my meneer van Sail is ook net so amazing. So ons gaan nou maar nog sien hoe daai ouetjie
so Mr. Van Sail, he's already got athletics experience commentating with last year's top 4 event. But I mean, so that top 5 is a major event for the beginning of the year. And then about a week or so after top 5, we've got our annual carnival.
Exciting times. It's over 2 days.
No, it is now from the 25th of February until the 28th of February.
3
So
whole days of pret en
three
plesier.
and a half days of fun. You guys can come
Rides.
along, rides. There's going to be food vendors. There's going to be some music in the background, but there's not going to be the main thing.
focus.
I think people got to know that we've got major stuff planned for the school, carnival-wise, from 2027 onwards.
Maar ons kan nou nie baie sê nie, maar dit gaan groot wees.
But this year we will. Within the first term, we will
Start notifying
we'll start
people.
announcing it. So it's a big one till the end of February, and then
March.
And then March we've got our annual Harcourtstown Brackenfell Sports Day.
That's a weekend. It's not just a day, that's a weekend. En ons het hoeveel voet het ons verlede jaar op die perseel gehad oor die naweek, and we're not just using our venue, we're also using the primary school's venue as well. So how many schools participated last year?
If I'm not mistaken, I think there was around 22, 23 schools. We're going to have roughly about the same number of schools this year.
But hockey is back because our turf's back.
Exactly. Our Astro is back in commission, and yeah, it's going to bring a lot more people. I think over that weekend last year, I think we did roughly just over 11,000 people over the 2 days.
Uit, so dit is mal.
It's
En
massive.
natuurlik wenders, hier gaan kos wees, hier gaan oor die twee venues wat ons gaan wees, en natuurlik live streaming also
Yep.
of the I won't say all the matches will be live streamed, but there's specific matches that has been identified
Yeah,
as
correct.
a live streaming event. En as ek dit nie mis het nie, gaan ons ook commentating hê vir netbal, vir hockey en vir rugby. So that's
Correct.
also happening. En ja, en ek dink ook ons kan dit nou laat val. Ons het 'n nuwe hoof van hockey organiseerder, meneer Marcel Verwy, waaroor ons baie opgewonde is. So ek dink ek het hom nou in die gange gesien en dit lyk nogal asof hy reg is vir die jaar. Ons gaan vir Juffrou Douglas verskriklik mis, maar ons is ook opgewonde oor meneer Verwy wat by ons inskakel by die sportkantore. En ja, dan as ons weer sien is die kwartaal 1 verby.
Yeah, then it's done.
I mean, can you fathom that?
Yeah, no, it's insane. I think I'm really excited to be back. Really excited to hit the ground running. And then I think for me, after first term is finished, the next highlight for me is definitely going to be interschools, and then ultimately to end off the year.
What about
the
the production? No, but production is in term 3, so that's before interschools.
To end of the year.
Oh ja, because production is going to be big this year. So ek kan nou 'n bietjie praat oor
Yes.
produksie. Dis my baba en ek is so opgewonde oor dit. Dit is 'n nuwe teks wat geskryf is. Our dream for this production is to get 150 pupils on stage, rotating throughout the performances. Our cast, their names has been released last year. So baie opgewonde oor die ouetjies wat die rolle losgeslaan het. Ek is so senuweeagtig, maar ek is so opgewonde vir die storie. I don't want to say a lot because otherwise then you're going to give it away.
Come on,
But
give us the name. Give us the name. at
so
least.
die produksie se naam is dit wat ek onthou. So it's going to be basically it's going to be a universal high school. And stories are usually met with how I remember things. So it's from different perspectives, as ek dit so kan sê. En dit gaan elke persoon wat 'n rol losgeslaan het, dit gaan hulle perspektief wees van hoe hulle dinge onthou op skool. So there's a bit of a twist. I don't want to give it away, but there's a spook. We've got a spook. We've got ghost hunters that's going to try and catch the spook, which I'm very excited about. Maar
Ghostbusters.
basically like Ghostbusters, maar dit is stoute karaktertjies. I'm very excited. Ek wil nie baie van dit vertel nie, want dit is 'n verrassingselement eintlik. Maar die storie gaan oor die herinneringe wat ons bou, en al voel ons nie ons was goed genoeg nie, you are still part of a legacy that's left behind. En ons het almal nodig om deel te wees van 'n legacy. We can only leave a legacy if we participate. En dit is uiteindelik waaroor die storie gaan. Om konflikte op te los, om 'n goeie storie te vertel, maar ook laat mense, you need to be able to see a character, en jy moet kan sê, oh, ja, dit was ek op skool gewees. So, daar's soveel karakters in die storie met wie jy kan vereenselwig, and which you will be able to identify with. That for us is to send a powerful message. Daar gaan dans wees, daar gaan flash mobs wees, daar gaan iets van alles wees. So basically every aspect of culture is going to be participating in this production. Soos ons fotografieklub gaan die jaarboek van die storie hardloop. Ons pompoms gaan verskyn. Ons dansers gaan verskyn. Ons akteurs en aktrises. It's a massive undertaking.
Massive. I mean, Greece in itself
Was
2 years ago
ginormous.
was big.
Ja.
Now this, for me, I mean, I'm getting goosebumps sitting and listening to this.
And it's a brand new, it has been specifically written for our school. So dis nie 'n teks
Super unique.
Super unique. So it hasn't been done before. Dit is 'n hele nuwe teks, nuwe musiek, nuwe alles. Alles is nuut. En as ek terugdink aan die audisies, you were there with some part of the auditions. Die kinders wat gecast is amazing. Die
Yeah, no,
stories
we've honestly got some incredibly talented students.
and we catering for everyone. Almal kan identifiseer met 'n element van die storie en ek is so opgewonde vir dit. Regtig.
So now my question is, when do we start, or when can our listeners start buying tickets?
As soon as possible. I think between the two of us, we're going to have a meeting soon, and then we're going to start booking the dates. We're going to contact Quicket, and then we're going to start selling the tickets.
And trust me, you do not want to miss.
You do not
If
want to miss this.
If you were at Greece 2024, you don't want to miss this
2026.
production in 2026.
Because it's unique, it's special. It's part of our celebration for this year, so it's going to be massive. It's going to be beautiful. Dit gaan 'n storie vertel. I'm just excited for what's going to happen. We're going to start with the marketing of each character as well. As soon as we've got the text, we're going to start with photos, and daar's baie goed wat gebeur vir kultuur, maar ek dink die hoogtepunt vir hierdie jaar gaan ons produksie wees, because it's going to be massive.
Yo, and what a way to end the year.
I know, right?
Because I mean, that's ultimately the last major
Activity
for the year, and
En dan eers weer oor 2 jaar het ons 'n produksie.
Ja,
Nou,
so
so production is
2028.
every 2 years. So dis baie spesiaal dat ons produksie hierdie jaar op die 50ste jaar ook gebeur. Ons gaan moeg wees na die einde van die jaar.
yeah, we're going
I'm
to be
already
very tired.
moeg and we haven't even started yet. Maar kom ons kom terug nou na kwartaal 1 toe. Ek dink ons almal is opgewonde want ons wil ons maats sien. We want to see who the teachers are that we were placed with for subjects.
And some new teachers.
And some new teachers as well. You're going to see them next week. But I think the most important part of being thankful is to be prepared. Ons moet voorbereid wees om dankbaar te kan wees vir die onderwysers wat ons gekry het, die goeie onderwysers wat ons gekry het, want al ons onderwysers is amazing en goed. Maar ek dink saam met dankbaarheid is om voorbereid te wees. So we need to be prepared for this year. So ek dink Woensdag wanneer die skool begin, wees reg aangetrek. I think that's important.
Absolutely.
That tells us that you are proud of your school, you are proud to be here.
You have respect for your school.
Ja, daar's baie goeders wat saam met dit gaan. So ek dink ons van die podcast se kant al wil elke brakkie uitdaag om reg gekleed te wees. Hare netjies, geskeer, geen grimering nie. Look the part. If we dress the part, then we're going to perform from day one. Dan kom ons wees netjies, hê jou tas hierso, trek jou boeke oor met plastiek, bring jou potlode, bring jou penne. Ek dink ons moet van dag 1 af voorbereid wees en die ekstra myl gaan. Ek dink dis baie belangrik.
Absolutely. So when we get back after this quick shout out to our sponsors, I think we're going to have to chat about what's happening on Tuesday. Tuesday is the matric results. So when we get back, we're going to chat about that.
The Brackie podcast is made possible by the incredible support of our community. A huge thank you to all the sponsors of Brackenfell High School.
Right, welcome back.
Oh, exciting times.
So, Tuesday.
I
think the 13th.
The 13th of Jan. Sorry, ek moes nou eers my rooster het nog nie, my kalender het nog nie geactiveer nie.
So Tuesday the 13th of January, we get to find out what our matrics have done.
And the results.
And the
oh
results.
My goodness.
So we found out on Monday.
Kry ek sommer hoendervleis. Oh my goodness.
So Monday, South Africa finds out what
The class of
the
2020.
class of 2025 has done, and then on Tuesday we get to find out what Brackenfell has achieved. And my money, hands down, is on 100%.
Ek ook. Kyk, weer hoendervleis. Weer hoendervleis.
Because I mean the class of 2025,
It was
I
a
mean,
magnificent group
that
of
it was
pupils.
a great group.
Yo, goeie groep jong mense. Not taking away anything from class of 2026, maar class of 2025 was a special group of children. Hulle het regtig hard gewerk. They did give their all. En ek is opgewonde oor wat hulle bereik het en behaal het. Ek's opgewonde oor die prestasies, opgewonde oor hulle toekoms, because this sets now the bar.
This sets the bar.
For what's
I'm quite
next.
interested to find out who's going to be our top 20
En
who's going to be our Dux learner.
Ek is opgewonde. Ons doeksleerder. Dit is waarvoor ons eintlik opgewonde is
And
vir
is our
Dinsdag.
Dux learner going to pass 2024's group, which was 94.2%?
Ek dink so.
I think so.
Ek dink so.
I
Ek
think
dink so. Ons het 'n baie goeie top 10 gehad en 'n top 3. Ons top 3 is briljant geweest. Is briljant. So ek dink nie ek is bekommerd oor die groep nie. En ek bedoel jy pluk die vrugte van die saad wat jy geplant het. En as jy weet jy het jou alles gegee, dink ek is jy rustig oor Dinsdag. Ja, en ek dink that speaks in itself. If you know that you put in everything, that you studied, that you worked hard for it, dan hoop ek jy kry die beste resultate wat daar is.
Absolutely.
Dit is
I
my
think-
wens vir jou, dat jy nie teleurgesteld is vir dit waarvoor jy gewerk het.
Yeah,
nie.
for sure. And one of the other things that happens with your class of 2025 is your top 20 in the Western Cape.
Ooh.
So I'm hoping this year,
that we have a
this
few there.
class, we have either 1 or 2
Or 3?
or 3 would be great.
Yeah, that would be amazing.
But it would be great to see another plaque go up on that board in our school's foyer. So it's incredible to think that on Tuesday, class of 2025 is going to find out
the results.
their results.
I'm
It's
so
insane.
excited. I'm so excited. So ja, ek dink ons het nou aan baie goeters geraak, maar meneer Aman, jy wat nou die bemarker van die skool is. And you play such a big role in visibility and what we stand for and trying to make our school be more presentable and beautiful, soos wat ons wil ons skool se naam daar buite kan kry. But what is your message for 2026?
Wow. I think for me, I wasn't privileged enough to go to a school that did war cries and there was gees and all of that. I come expecting, come and be involved, because the more involved you are, the more you're going to get to a point in your life where you look back at your school years and go, wow, I was privileged to be in a school like this. I was privileged to
Absolutely.
experience war cries and chanting and singing on the pavilion and doing flashes.
Interskole en produksie
man.
en dans en ja, I hear you.
And I think the main thing for me is have respect for your school, have respect for the school badge, because if we don't do that, nothing is going to change. So be the change.
Ja, the pride that comes with that. I think dit is tyd dat ons trots is op ons skool. It's not just
Absolutely.
a school, it's not plan B, it's plan A from the beginning.
Yeah.
And once we get to that mindset, the rest will follow. Ek
Yeah,
dink dis baie
absolutely.
belangrik wat jy gesê het. Dis
I
bitter
think from
belangrik.
a marketing point as well. I mean, 2025 was a massive year. We expanded our marketing team, and we did over 10 million views on our social media platforms for 2025. So it's incredible. From my side, just to thank all our sponsors,
Ja,
everybody that donated to the school in 2025.
en wat
it's-
betrokke geraak het by ons
Yeah,
skool.
that
Ja.
actually, they got involved, and from the bottom of my heart, just wanted to say thank you, and we look forward to 2026. And
So opgewonde vir
and we look forward to
2026.
welcoming new sponsors, new people to the school.
And a more active podcast.
Absolutely.
We were
with our own
venue.
full-time permanent studio.
So ons gaan soos 'n opening of the venue. Ons moet soos knippie
We will
lint.
cut the lint.
Yeah, we have to do that. I mean, it needs to be official because now we've got a venue and it's going to be plug and play and we want to release a episode per week. Dit is die hart van podcast. So, and then taking everything together. Kom ons som gou op. Van die podcast se kant af, participate. Kry 'n plekjie in die skool waar jy kan voel jy's deel van die skool en raak betrokke. Wees deel van alles, wees deel van die dinge en ek dink dit is belangrik dat jy jou hawe vind en dat jy deelneem want hoe meer jy deelneem, hoe meer sigbaar is jy. And ja, just be proud of the school. Be proud of participating, be proud of everything school related, maar ek dink die belangrikste is, ons het elke liewe brakkie nodig om hierdie jare sukses te maak. Jy is deel van ons storie, jy is deel van die legende wat ons nalaat, so what are you leaving behind?
Yeah, what is your legacy?
What is your legacy and what are you standing for in 2026? Ek dink dis twee belangrike vrae wat ons by elkeen wil los. But from the podcast and from marketing, we wish you a beautiful 2026. We are excited for 2026. En ek kan nie wag om elke liewe persoon hierdie jaar te sien nie. Ek is so opgewonde om die kinders terug in die gange te hê. Die gange is stil, dis leeg, dit is
Yeah, it's very quiet.
I don't like it. Ek hou van besige gange en die terrein moet besig wees. But we are excited to see you. We wish you well. En ja, mag daar geen vreemde goed gebeur nie. But ja, ons wil net 'n mooi jaar vir jou toewens. Mag 2026 alles wees waarvoor jy hoop. En dit is Juffrou van Biljon.
Mr. Haman, we'll see you on episode 2.
Yay!